This is exactly how I fixed Disney Plus not working. So firstly I had to go to the homepage here on my TV, and if you're using your computer or your phone as an example, it's also the same, just so you know. So firstly we're gonna go into settings here and then click on all settings. Now in here what I had to do, firstly you need to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, of course. If you're not, it's not gonna work. So make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi and that the signal is at least okay. And then we're gonna go to system and then click on date and time. So this one is actually one of the most important things that you need to check. Click on automatic date and time here, and if this one is set to off, you need to set this one to auto synchronization. For some reason, when this one is off, all the apps that require Wi-Fi will not work correctly. So make sure to set this one to auto synchronization. And here where it says set date and set time, make sure that this one is correct to where you are right now, so on your specific location. If it's not correct, then just so you know, it will not work. Any of the Wi-Fi apps will not work as they should, just so you know. So try this and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.